Now, I absolutely cannot stand a dirty windshield, especially one on the inside. However, I drive all the time with a dirty windshield, and it bugs me every time I get in it, but many times I don't bother with cleaning it because, as with all windshields, getting it down here, getting it up here, and being able to get it where there's not smudges on it, it takes a little time and takes a little effort. I even grew up in a glass shop where we knew this stuff inside and out, replace windshields all the time. It's still somewhat of a pain. Well, I actually saw something on TikTok shop, and I get it. You're probably thinking, oh my goodness, eyes rolled, TikTok shop, what are you selling now? I've actually bought several things on TikTok shop. Many of them aren't worth even mentioning, which I haven't mentioned. But this one I'm real curious about, and we're going to learn together of whether or not it's actually worth its weight. Now, I actually bought two things. It's from the Stoner company, and they make invisible glass cleaner, and they also make this quick change reach and clean tool. So basically, it's supposed to enable us to be able to get to this windshield within seconds. Even the owner gets on here and talks about, all the great things this thing does. I will say, I'm going to give you kudos right off the bat. Just the fact that I opened this up and went, do I really need to get my cutting tool to open up this blister pack? And I turned this over, and lo and behold, if right here, so kudos Stoner Car Care or Stoner or Invisible Glass or whomever, that I don't have to open this blister pack with a knife or my Ryobi cutting tool or a razor knife or whatever. And we're going to ditch the instructions as well. So excuse all the shadows. We're not doing a full-blown production where we've got lights and everything else, because again, I wanted to kind of do this real time so you saw what we saw, we unpackaged it, everything happens real time, if you will. So this is what we get in the kit, and actually I mentioned this is two different kits. This is one kit right here without the cans. This is another kit. I believe this one for the 3 cans of cleaner was like 20 bucks. I believe this kit's like $15 or $16. We'll have a link to all these in the description of the video. If you want to buy from it, you can, or if you want to find it yourself, you can do that as well. I think you can find this at many outlet stores like your, different auto parts shops and online, whatever. You can find Invisible Glass, maybe even Walmart. Anyway, this, I guess this net case will carry all this stuff once we're done with it. One of the things I really liked was included with the glass cleaner. It's really part of why I bought it. Are these waffle drying towers. So not just a regular microfiber, your waffle microfibers are going to work better on glass. They just do. So highly recommend that. Now I know these are probably only a couple of bucks worth of drying towels, but still it came with the 3 cans, and cans of glass cleaner aren't cheap anymore. I'll also say that Invisible Glass, not sponsored at all, but they're my top 2 when it comes to cleaning glass. Number 1 is typically Sprayway, but this may take its place. I don't know. But Invisible Glass has always been my second go-to pick when it comes to glass cleaning. And again, growing up in a glass shop, I am kind of a stickler when it comes to cleaning windshields. So let's take a look at what we've got on the windshield. You may also want to check out our video on how to deep clean a windshield. But before we do that, let's put together our little unit here. So it looks like we have a handle and then a cushion handle for the handle. And it looks like this is just going to slide in here like this, and then pop on there. So we can easily disassemble that if we need to. And this is our triangular waffle cleaning towel. Wish that tag were on the other side. Maybe we can flip that over. Also wish this kind of grabbed a little better. It's not really going to stick, but maybe, who knows, maybe it stays on there and you don't have to worry about it. There we go. So now that tag's out of the way. Get that pretty flat. I guess it clings to there pretty good. We'll see if it actually cleans with it. So there we have it. And we got everything assembled. Now let's take a look at the windshield. Now first, we really can't see the gook that's on the inside of this windshield. I'm trying to focus on this. I was trying to get into a dark spot of this building that would maybe show some more of that, but there is a lot of smudging on this windshield. But first, let's get the outside cleaned up so we can actually see what's on the inside and what's on the outside. Gonna take our glass cleaner. Want a decent dose on here because I know it's very filthy. That'll give you an idea right there. I'll flip that over, do that again. And this time I'm just gonna go lateral because if I'm leaving any lines, I will know once I'm inside that any lateral lines will be on the outside of the glass, if that makes any sense. If I went all different ways, then I would not know when I'm looking from the inside which ones are left from the outside, which ones are left from the inside. Now I hope that we get rid of all the lines, period. So now I know my outside is clean, so only what's left is the filth and gunk that is left in here on the inside, which if you can't see that, shame on me, but it's really nasty. So let's get to cleaning. So this is where the magic is supposed to happen with the handy dandy little wand here and the waffle microfiber towel and the invisible glass. So let's see. I will say it doesn't foam as much as I intended. And by the way, they also showed this with a lot less glass cleaner, so maybe I'm overdoing it. But the idea is you should be able to get to every nook and cranny, which I will say is definitely enables you to get down there in the crevice of the dash and up there under the mirror and up here on top of the dash or on top of the windshield. So I will give it that. And I think I did use too much, but let me do the opposite of what I did on the windshield or on the outside of the windshield. And let me do my streaks up and down. And that way, so I know if I'm seeing vertical streaks, my problem's on the inside of the windshield. If I'm seeing horizontal streaks, my problem's on the outside of the windshield. So I'm not chasing around looking to see where that smudge is. But by the way, this is doing a fantabulous job. So I'm going to sit here in the driver's seat. And I'm going to also do the passenger side of the vehicle. So you see how I'm able to get all the way up here, all the way down here. So there you have it. This is pretty wet now because, like I said, I think I oversaturated the first half, but it seemed to dry up. I see a little residual up here. But again, I can come back and get any smudges I got, but really and truly, for the most part, this took care of it. I'm impressed. Again, listen, maybe there's 40 others out there that do this well, but I've yet to clean a windshield with some type of tool that's actually made a big difference. So for less than 20 bucks for like I said, I think this is like $16 for this kit. Does not come with the glass cleaner. And then the glass cleaner, I just thought it was a decent deal for three large cans, by the way, 3 19-ounce cans for 20 bucks that came with the 3 waffle towels as well. And also, you could probably just remove the triangle one, throw that on there. By the way, it does grab pretty good. Yeah, and still be able to do the same thing. So not quite as finessing, if you will, with the one that's made for it, but you can definitely throw your towel on and finish your clean. So let us know. You think it's a gimmick? Or do you think it's the real deal, kind of like we do? Again, you may point out 40 others that are like it, but we're impressed with what we paid and what we got, and most of all, the performance of it and being able to clean that easily By the way, again, filthy windshield. So like the invisible glass, the verdict's out on whether or not it's my favorite, but it's definitely number 2. Again, check it out. We'll have a link in the description. You get 2 of these waffle drying towels that are in the triangle shape, and 3 that come with the kit with the 3 cans of glass cleaner. We'll have a link in the description if you're interested. Also keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Keep smiling.